So, you want to make worm tea. In this video, I'm going to explain how to make worm tea. But this stuff right here, this is not worm tea. All it is just leachate. It is just excessive water from your fruits and vegetables. And that is not worm tea. This is what we call leachate. What I'm going to do is save these worms. I'm going to put some newspaper down to give the stray worms that are in this something to eat if they become castaways. So now, let's go talk about how to make worm tea. So enjoy the video! Well, hello. I put some cardboard down, got my rocks, because I'm going to stack my other toad on top. I'll check on this about every month or so to see if worms are left down here, but they'll be fine now because there's some food and they won't starve. There's tape and stuff on this cardboard, but I don't care. They shouldn't be down here anyway because they made a bad choice. Now let's go look at how to make the worm tea. Now, in a perfect world, you should not have any leachate in your worm farms. That just goes to show that you are putting too much liquid into your bin. A perfectly balanced condition would not have leachate in it at all. But I've been raising worms for over 4 years and I have never made worm tea because for me I just have no desire to use it. But how the method works is people use castings and apply those castings into a bucket with water. The castings are inside of a sock or pantyhose. And then the next thing they do is they brew it for 10 plus hours and make their worm tea. There's other people on YouTube that have made worm tea. Go and look at the videos, do your own research on how to make worm tea. But that's how you do it. But what I'm going to do now is just take a few minutes to sort through some worms, the castings, and get some worms out. Because I have to dry these castings out to be able to sift them. So if you want to hang out and watch me play with my worms, have at it. But if not, I just want to say thank you for taking the time out to watch this. And you have a great day. Bye.